Hello and welcome to another update video. This update will be on TIG welding and plasma cutting. Since I recently did MIG welding, I wanted to try and do TIG welding as well, and it's within the same room, the same space at the school, so I thought it'd be a good idea to try and get that done. And plasma cutting, same thing, same room, and I thought it'd be a good thing to try and do. It also looks quite fun as well. I'm not sure how much I'll use it, but I thought it'd be a good practice to try and to learn. Both welding and plasma cutting is a lot about the settings that you have on the machine. So that's why I kind of paid close attention to in the videos that I was watching on YouTube. Once again, with both these types of skills, it is really important about what I'm wearing. So the videos were a lot about eye protection, ear protection, what to wear if to protect your eyes, like UV rays type thing. Okay, so I'm gonna head into school now. I can even show you my funny bike that I just bought, and we're gonna head over and try some plasma cutting and TIG welding. Let's go. Okay, so I just got back from the metal workshop. I spent about half an hour to an hour doing TIG welding. I just completely had the settings wrong for a while. I actually found out that I was on the settings to weld aluminium, which is completely different to steel. Instead of asking for help with that, I ended up using a different machine which had the right settings on it. And then I later found out that the machine before was on the wrong settings. So that's a clear limitation. If there was someone with me there who had more understanding, more expertise with TIG welding, I don't think I would have had that problem. I'm gonna get some scans now which will appear on the screen, which will show the difference between welds that are actually functionally working with TIG welding and ones that aren't. Plasma cutting was pretty easy actually. It's just like a gun that you hold onto the metal and pull across. What was difficult was getting a straight cut without getting stuck to the metal. I got stuck to metal a couple of times. But in general, it's just like using a kind of a pen almost, just drawing a line across the metal. I had to fiddle around with the settings a little bit because I think some people put them onto a weird over high setting. The YouTube video was incredibly helpful with understanding the power at which you need to use to cut through the metal, and that was the same with welding, TIG welding actually. The amperages that I needed in order to melt the welding rod on the steel, depending on how thick it was very helpful. I think that sums up this video. I think the next video I'm going to be more in the other area of the workshop. I'm going to try and do some cutting of the metal and possibly bending. Okay, so thank you for watching this one. Once again, please feel free to comment if you have any suggestions, like the video, maybe even subscribe if you're interested in the project. And once again, you can also email me if you want. Thank you very much. See you next time.